Well, here we are ready to go on an adventure. We've got a great adventure to do today, but we're getting ready now. Sherry's back in the room getting ready. I'm about to take my vitamins that I take every morning and every night to make sure we stay good and healthy. It's pretty much mandatory for us. And that's why we don't worry about this craziness that's going on right now. So, mixture here of protein and fiber and some other stuff like that. And we take stuff for arthritis, and we take stuff for, well, antioxidants and all kinds of neat stuff. Awesome. Awesome. Actually, they've helped us to stay very healthy through the many years that we've existed, because we've been taking these same vitamins now for 24 years, 22 years, something. We're about to head 3 hours south and east of here. And we'll have a little bit of a surprise by the end of this video. It's Saturday, the 21st of March. The world has shut down. It's the craziest thing I've ever seen. Panic everywhere. It's like, good grief, folks. Get alive. You know, that's what's the beauty of homesteading. You really don't panic during this stuff. I mean, it's just goofy. Of course, we've only got 2 acres, but hey, 2 acres is enough for plenty. So, God's blessed us with tremendous ability to do things and to be able to provide. He's provided for us tremendously, and so we're kind of excited about that as well. So, you know, your faith will keep you strong, if nothing else. I say, yummy. Okay, so we're gonna, my baby doll, look here, she made us all a water cup to go, and 2 cups ready for coffee on the trip, which is awesome. That just means you have to stop about 400 times in this 3-hour trip. Such is life. So anyway, we're taking a little cooler just in case, and
garage door.
I need to go start loading things up in the garage. Boy, look here. I tell you what, this is the craziest thing. We cleaned this garage, throw away all these boxes or chop them up and put them in the garden. And it's no time before Amazon brings us a whole bunch more. Good grief, it's crazy. I'm taking the ice chest. Have it in here. Okay. Let's check on our little baby girls, see how they're doing. We went and bought 5 new chicks. I've shown them to you before, but they're feathering out pretty good. They're a little bit cool. The light's a little far away from them, but they're doing fine. We'll acclimate them a little bit. I think we're about to go put them out in the brooder, probably in the next day or 2. We've had kind of a cold spell come through, so I didn't want to take them out while the cold spell was on them. So next day or 2, we'll put them out. Sherry, baby, are you ready? Huh?
I will be when I finish.
Oh.
I'm not ready.
You're such a goofy one. That's why I love that woman so much. She amazes me. She keeps me laughing. Keeps me laughing, keeps me loving. Okay, I think we're just about ready to head out. Do what? I know. Goodness gracious. I don't know how much it did or didn't take. So anyway, we're getting ready to go. Won't be much longer. Okay, so we're just about ready. I've got my little map to show me where the heck to go. Gotta get my my phone, otherwise known as a P-honey.
Matt, here's your water.
Because that's the way it's spelled, P-honey. Are y'all ready?
Yes.
I will will be after I
Taylor,
finish.
farm
Get
guy.
ready.
Did you hear me? I asked her one more time, and this time she actually
Number
answered me.
16.
She actually answered me this time. Sure, a good-looking hunk of
He's
woman.
been asking me ever since he woke me up. Are you ready?
Yep. And are you? Oops, it's dark in here. She shut the door on me. She's so mean to me. Huh, oh well. Anyway, we're getting ready. We're fixing to head out. I got to get my jacket because it is cold today. Jiminy cricket, it's cold out there. And I don't like cold weather, as anyone that knows me knows. So, all right. Oh, some criminal while we were at church 2 Sundays ago, somebody pinged my deal 7 times, my window. Guess they were trying to break in because there's the lock thing. Like we keep anything in our truck. We don't keep anything in our pickup. This is a, well, we learned, oh gosh, what, 40 years ago? You don't leave stuff sitting in your pickup, so we don't leave stuff sitting in our pickup. Why anybody would want to break into it, God only knows, unless they wanted to steal the pickup. Maybe that's the case. Who knows? Anyway, who knows the mind of a criminal? Okay, so here we're going.
On. Garage door open. Garage door open.
Garage door open. Garage door open. Can you get that door?
In there.
What? Oh, in your thingy? You know, stuff that down in your other water hole. Thank you. We're on our way. About 3 hours south and east a little bit. And we'll kind of keep you abreast of what we're doing. We'll video everything so that you'll be able to see it. And hopefully it'll be nice and not shaky because we're bumping on these roads. But who knows? Sherry, are you excited about this trip?
I'm so excited.
They can't hear you, I'm sorry.
I'm so excited.
Groovy, you
It's
said.
just too early. It's only 9:18 in the morning, and I've been up since 7:30, but I haven't had all my coffee. So when I finish this cup, I'll be more excited.
How about you, Trix? Are you excited?
Very excited.
Groovy. You gotta speak up though.
He's a morning person.
I'm a morning person, and I love what we're doing.
Groovy. So there you have it. Straight from the Taylor family to you. Well, we're officially on our way. Heading east currently. Southeast, I guess, actually. And won't be long, we'll be there. What do you think, Sherry, baby?
I'm thinking it's going to be a long day in the car.
That it is. It's only 3 hours down, but then you got 3 hours back.
And all the stops, and because we're drinking coffee. So.
Now, we'll have a few stops. What do you think back there, Trix?
Sitting here watching my farm videos, enjoying the ride.
Watching your Homestead videos?
Homestead videos.
Oh, groovy. All right. Well, back to the road. Keep your eyes on the road. Okay, got to make our first pit stop. Only what, 20 miles, 15 miles out of out of Amarillo. It's crazy. Here we go. Well, we finally found the location we're coming to.
We need this for the surprise.
And our greeters are coming up. And I know some of you are thinking, oh, they're gonna get La Llamas. You know those are La Llamas, don't you? Yeah. But no, this is not the surprise.
It's a surprise for us.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a surprise for my love muffin.
I love
She likes La Llamas. I like alpacas better, actually,
Yummy
myself.
sugar, mine.
Donkey poodle.
But
Donkey poodles in Oklahoma.
La Llamas are pretty nifty.
Just don't come spit on me. You're pretty girls. I guess they're girls.
We don't know what they are. Looks like they could use a haircut.
Yeah. I can't video because I can post that one. No, you're in the way. You're standing in the room.
I sure am. I'm right in their way.
No, you can come out and go right straight.
Yeah. Good grief. So you've already...
Well, that one right there, the blue two here, the lady we bought it from, she got a new boar. Actually, the boar was younger than they were. And we had not really planned on getting a boar because it was like, well, we use it once a year, and the rest of the time we got to deal with it. And then we got to keep babies away from them. So they're done eating; they're ready to go back.
Oh,
Yeah,
look.
they're going back home.
Because we have corn and
That is so funny.
we have corn and sunflower seeds that we
Oh yeah.
that we get them back with, and they.
You are a chump.
Yeah, she's a little overweight. We didn't breed her this year.
Oh really?
We didn't breed these two at all.
Why?
Well, because we got 30-something pigs, and we got two pregnant pigs, two pregnant sows right now.
Okay.
And they can have anywhere from 6 to
Yeah.
10
Yeah.
pigs.
Comes a point where you got to kind of stop. Huh?
Until we made. Actually, there's only 2 females.
Matt, I think they're calling you.
Good grief. That is hilarious.
There's a couple of girls in here, looks like.
Well, they just knock you over to get to that, won't they?
Yeah, they are.
That is so funny.
So, if somebody wants something, they'll meet.
Yeah.
And we still do
Right.
we still sell eggs,
Eggs,
so.
yeah. Are you selling eggs like crazy right now?
She knew who the mother was, but she didn't know who.
Wasn't sure who the
Wasn't sure
daddy
which
was.
dad was.
Right.
That one. And you can do DNA on them.
Right.
But you can do DNA on them, but you got to have a sample from your parents.
Oh.
And then she had sold the boar, and the people that had it didn't want.
Yeah. Didn't want
They
to
didn't want. Plus, they can snack on the way home.
Yes, sir. Help him put that in there, Matt. Just... You're gonna have them eaten out of your hand before long? Yeah, it'll be full. The first time they've gotten dirty. Boy, they're wanting to go through there, aren't they?
Hey, you're fine. You're fine. Just like a teeter number. Yeah. I've been carrying it.
Yeah.
It's all right.
It's okay,
If I rub
baby.
your ear a little bit, see your taxes. Make sure it's right. Make sure you're the right pig.
Yeah. She's like, you are not touching me.
Yeah.
Hey, what are you doing? Are you mad? You want to go up there with your friend? Huh?
Well, we'll get down
You
here and
better
the
hold.
bottom. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're gonna go out the top. Let's go out the bottom. Nice. Hup, hike. That's hiking pig. That's how football started right there.
Really?
Yeah. Big on the back. There, buddy. This one too. You got
There you go, Johnny.
There's 2.
What number?
31, 32. They're on the. Here you go. Right
No,
here.
I'm good, Billy. You're good.
They scream bloody murder, dude. Look at
Look
yeah.
at
Does
you.
that not sound like the jungle? Does that sound
Exactly.
Paperwork, they're just pigs.
Oh, great. Way to go.
He does have you there.
Yes, he